Well, the past 15 minutes I've been hitting golf balls. Just so I could be outside to maybe sneak around my house and get my mom's car. She got a car alarm and I set it off once before and she got mad. So we're gonna see if she can get mad again. Let's see what she'll say. Maybe she might hear my car pull around back. Cause I always park around front. And they got a little lean-to in the back. They park under. Gotta be quiet. She might be asleep in the chair. We're gonna wake her up. PT Cruising. My girl on the back porch. Ready? She's probably in that room right there watching TV. There's the back door. Sorry. Sorry. Alright. Well, won't be doing that again. You'll never see another video of my mom probably on here. Because, she really don't like that shit. But, thanks for viewing. Hope y'all liked it. Now I'm gonna go get chewed out. Later.